So in this video, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to write emails. Okay, so the first email is request for a day off to an administrator. That's a very common one. Okay, so I'm going to use the prompt as it is. So write an email for a request to take a day off to an administrator. All right, so I'm going to just hit click and let's see what we get. All right, here you can write the administrator name, your personal reason, and what date you're going to take the day off, and your name, position, and school organization. Okay, so next email is about the incomplete work, student incomplete work. So I'm going to use the prompt as it is, write an email to a student about incomplete work. So here the ChatGPT is giving us this. You can change the student name over here, name, class, assignment name, new due date. What was the due date? And if you have any new deadline, you can give to the student and name, position, and the school. And that is just simple. So let's see the third email. The third email is to the parent about student behavior. So these emails are always very tricky to write. You need to be very sensitive while writing these emails. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Okay, so I use the prompt as it is, as you can see. So the first paragraph here is like a welcome, and the second is describing like the behavior of the student. It already gives some of the suggestion, but you can specify which behavior you have seen. And in the third one, it is giving you what choices you are making to, rectify that behavior. And in the fourth paragraph, it is also saying like a thank you and appreciation for the partnership of the parent. And in the end, your name, position, and school. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel AI with Manpreet Kaur. Thanks again.